Assalamualaikum friends, myself mehndibyazeema. Welcome back to free mehendi classes series day 8. In this video I am going to teach you about reverse filling. Reverse filling is also known as negative filling. Reverse filling main elements are spiral, flower, lotus, leaves, rose, circle, double circle, and the last C-shaped curve. These are the most important basic elements creating negative filling known as reverse filling also. To start first negative filling known as reverse filling, first you need to take a flower. To create a flower, first you need to take a spiral. Complete the spiral into 3 to 4 rings. Take small baby petals upon the spiral. And take spiral upon the flower. After the completion of spiral, take baby petals. After creating flowers, take a spiral upon the flowers. Take leaves beside the spiral. Again, take a spiral and then take leaves beside the spiral. In the gaps, you need to take a circle. Take double circle. Then take a flower. Upon this joining the petal, take a spiral and then take beside the spiral leaves. Upon this, take a spiral. After the completion of spiral, take baby petals to make a flower and then take a spiral and take leaves. This is the first type of cut works. Now I will fill the cut work. This is the first type of cut work. Negative filling cut work is known as reverse filling cut work. And the second type of cut work is in the middle. We'll take a rose. then take a spiral. From inside the spiral, take a thin outline and then take a C-shaped curve. Then take a leaves upon the C-shaped curve. Take double circle here. Take a spiral upon the rose flower. Inside the spiral, take a thin outline and then take a C-shaped curve from inside the spiral and then draw leaves beside the spiral. Take a C-shaped curve from inside the curve. Take a rose flower. And then take a spiral. Inside the spiral, take a thin outline and then draw leaves. Take C-shaped circle inside the spiral and then take baby petals upon the C-shaped curve. Take a spiral. This is the second type of negative feeling. And the third type is, first take a lotus in the middle. is the third type of negative filling. In this I have taken lotus flowers, leaf, spiral, C-shape, curve, double circles. Okay guys, hope you like my video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram account, like, share as much as possible. Okay guys, अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, Instagram अकाउंट को फॉलो कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को शेयर कीजिए, इन एलिमेंट्स को रिक्रिएट कीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, अभी आप एक अच्छे मेहंदी आर्टिस्ट बन सकते हैं। वेट कीजिए Day-9 का। अल्लाह हाफिज़।